Hello everyone, I am Naman Pahade from Sanjivani University. Today I am going to discuss about the organizational structure of Zomato. Zomato is a leading global delivery platform that originates in India, has since expanded to multiple countries. Founded in 2008 by Deepinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadda, Zomato initially started a restaurant discovery platform called Foodie Bay. So it provides users with a detailed information about restaurants, menus, reviews, making it easier to choose a dining option. In 2010, it was redundant to Zomato and company began expanding its services. Over a time, Zomato involved beyond restaurants, discovery and review services too, include online food ordering and delivery, while became one of its core offering. Platform contains customer with restaurants and delivery partners, providing an easy and efficient way to order online. Zomato app and website now features a comprehensive range of services including restaurant reviews and rating, online food delivery, table reservations, Zomato Pro subscription services offering discounts and perks. Zomato Market launched briefly for grocery delivery during 2019 COVID pandemic. The founder of Zomato is Deepinder Goyal. Deepinder Goyal, co-founder and CEO of Zomato, was born on 26 January 1983 in Muktsar, Punjab, India. He completed his education in mathematics computing from IIT Delhi and worked at a Bain and Company and as a consultant. In 2008, Goyal co-founded Zomato. It was with Pankaj Chadda to provide online access to restaurant menu. Under Goyal's leadership, Zomato evolved into a global food delivery and restaurant discovery platform. CEO of Zomato. The current CEO of Zomato is Deepinder Goyal, who also co-founded the company in 2008. He was played a key role in transforming Zomato from simple restaurant discovery platform into a global food delivery and technology company. Career path 2008 founded by Deepinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadda. 2010 rebranded to Zomato and expanded across India. 2012-14 began international expansion. 2015 launched food delivery. 2017-19 acquired several companies like Runner and Uber Eats India. To 2020 adapted to the pandemic briefly, adding grocery deliveries. 2012 launched a successfully IPO, becoming a public traded company. Key achievement: Zomato's key achievement included significant global expansions, as it now operates in over 20 countries, revolutionizing access to restaurant information through its platform. The company entered the online food delivery market in 2015, solidifying its position in food tech industry. It made major acquisitions including Uber Eats India in 2020. Zomato went public in 2012, successfully raising $1.3 billion in its IPO. Awards and recognitions. Zomato has received several prestigious awards and recognitions, including being ranked among LinkedIn's top companies to work in 2021. CEO Deepinder Goyal was recognized in Fast Company's most productive people list in 2020. Organization structures at Zomato. First, executive leadership. CEO Deepinder Goyal oversees overall strategies and directions. Second, business units. Zomato is organized into various business units, each responsible for specific services such as food delivery, restaurant listing, Zomato Pro, overseeing the subscription services that offers discounts and benefits to the users. Regional terms. Zomato has been indicated to a different geographical regions, allowing for the localizations of services and better understanding of local markets. This includes teams for India, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe. Supports function. Human resources focuses on recruitments, employee engagements and organizational development.